Everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to answer the question, does WESTPAC transfer immediately? Now, whether a WESTPAC transfer is immediate depends on several factors, primarily the type of transfer and when it is initiated. Here's a breakdown based on verified information. You see, when you transfer within WESTPAC accounts, what happens is that when you are transferring between your own WESTPAC account or to other WESTPAC accounts, or it's generally immediate and it occurs in real time, even on weekends and public holidays. The funds are available immediately, although the updated balance might appear on your statement on the next banking day. But when you're transferring to other banks in Australia, like USCO and PayID, WestBank is part of the new payments platform, which is NPP, in Australia, which enables faster payments. So if you use PayID, which is linked to a mobile number, email address, APN, or stuff like that, or you're transferring to an eligible BSB, an account number that is USCO enabled at a participating bank, the payment is usually processed instantly or within a few minutes 24/7, including weekends and public holidays. Now, if you're using a standard pay for standard transfers to BSB and account numbers at other banks that are not USCO enabled, the payments made before the cutoff time, typically 6 p.m. Sydney time on a banking day, are usually received on the next banking day. Payments made after the cutoff time on a banking day or on a non-banking day are usually received on the second banking day. Now, we also have the same day payments, RTGS. For urgent, high-value transfers to other banks within Australia, you can make a real-time gross settlement, that is RTGS, payment. These transfers are processed on the same day, provided they are created and approved before the 3 p.m. cutoff time on a banking day. A fee usually applies for RTGS payments. Now, if you're doing international money transfers from WESTPAC, it typically takes longer than domestic transfers, usually around within 1 to 3 business days after WESTPAC processes the transfer. However, it can sometimes take longer depending on the recipient's country, the receiving bank's processing times, currency cutoff times, and any necessary security checks or involvement of intermediary banks. So here are the factors that can affect transfer time. Like we said earlier, cutoff times, weekend and public holidays, first-time transfers and security checks, recipient banks processing, and in summary, WESTPAC offers immediate transfers for internal accounts and near immediate transfers through USCO and PayID for payments to participating banks in Australia. However, standard transfers to other banks and international transfers take longer. Hope you found this video helpful.